Good afternoon once again, and welcome to this session. We're going to continue with what we started, and we'll be seeing next how to be able to uh, do a setting on our password complexity. We want to give a criteria for setting a password. How many uppercase letters, how many symbols, how many digits is it supposed to have? So we want to do that on Ubuntu. And the first thing we're going to do is we want to update the file that is going to help us to achieve that objective. PW quality. It's okay. And then we will right away we are going to sudo nano etc /security /pw quality.config. We will go straight to the min length, and then delete this comment symbol and change the min length to 19. The min length actually defines the minimum number of characters that should appear for a password. So we've changed it to 19, and we save and we exit. And then we want to create a new user. We're going to call that user Goldie, and we want to attempt some passwords for Goldie and see if it's going to meet the criteria. Remember, we said that the min length should be 19. And so we're going to try now. We'll take turkey lips. It says bad password. In other words, the password does not meet the criteria. Let's try this other one. Turkey lips, and then we want to take enter. Sorry, password do not match. They're asking for a new password. Remember, we're saying that the password is bad. The first one was bad, and I'm trying another one. I want to use turkey. Turkey, let me say 93. Oops. That's still telling me that the password is bad, even though if I retype it, type turkey and I go 93, take lips, that's it. Yes. All right, the user has been created. So we can be able to see from this that whenever the password you are trying to enter doesn't meet the criteria, it is going to notify you that the password is good or is bad. That's why at times when you're typing on something, they'll tell you that the password is strong. It's a strong password, it's a weak password. So this is what is able to determine the strength. So let me move into that file again, and then we're going to alter some other things. So we want to check the main class. We're going to uncomment this, and then we'll set it at 3. It means that what we mean by this is that we should have at least letters in uppercase, at least letters in lowercase, at least digits or symbols. So we should have at least 3 different classes of characters. And then we uncomment that. We look for the max class. Max class repeat. We're also going to, that's the max class repeat. We'll uncomment this and give it a figure of 5. It means the maximum times that a single class should repeat should be 5 times. If we're writing, for example, in digits, it means that the maximum amount of time we should have only digits should be 5. After 5 digits, it has to change. And then we will go back to where we had our min length and then comment it. That's it. Then we take Control X, then Y, and then we exit. After setting those rules, let's see how to change the password for Goldie. Let's give it a new password. Let's try something like password 123. It's a bad password because we have used only 2 classes. We have used letters, that's the password spelled, and then 123, 2 classes only. And they've told us that it's a bad password. So the password has been updated successfully, even though it's a bad password. We can still do it again for another set of passwords. Let's try maybe one class, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bad password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Password updated successfully. Can do it again. Let's try @ the commercial @ sign, password 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Bad password still. And then we take @ password 1, 2, 3, 4. It has been updated successfully. Now let's try something else. @ password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The password is still bad. So with that, we can be able to see how we can determine the criteria for any password that we want to enter for any user that we want, especially at creation. When you're creating a user, you are required to put a password, and you can give it any password you want. So depending on the criteria that has been put in place, you can be able to give in or give the password you so desire to have. Thank you.